Welcome or welcome back to the channel. The day is finally here. I get to make my first studio. Yeah! This is where I'm currently creating my magic. There's my desk behind me. I don't know. Let me just put that in focus there. Also, too, here are my helmets. I use the helmets as a backdrop in one of my other videos. And here is where I normally work on my RC vehicles. So that's my B. So yeah, look, day's finally here. The garage, as you can tell, needs a bit of a clean. So I hope you really appreciate the new setup. I'll see you at the end of the clip. And yeah, hope you like it. Talk to you soon. Focused. Okay, look, I finally did it. I hope you like the setup. It has taken me pretty much all day, and I am sitting on the floor. I like the elevation of the motorbikes, or my motorbikes in the background. It's been a work in progress. I've always wanted just to get a dedicated studio. And currently I am filming, well, I was filming in my office within the house, but like with all my lighting equipment and stuff like that, it was just a pain in the neck trying to, dismantle it and then put it back together. It would take me about 45 minutes because I'm very pedantic about lighting. So it will take me about 45 minutes to clear everything out and then set everything back up. So look, I wanted to get a dedicated studio. The garage is still a bit of a mess, but really what's most important, if you've got it, that my viewers, like yourself, have got an awesome viewing scenery, especially with the background and the lighting. So look, currently I'm filming on a Canon M50 with a 22mm lens. If you've got any tips, tricks to improve my videos, I'm more than happy to listen to them and take your advice on, because I'm currently new to this and I want to keep improving. So write it down in the comments below. I've currently got a light here, and I've got a light there, and I've got a light there as well. So I've gone all out. The setup costs pretty much really. I used everything that I had just on hand already. I did get the lights from eBay. I think they cost me about 60 Australian dollars. I got the Canon M50. My good friend Michael actually sold that to me at a very good rate. So thank you, Michael. A very big, massive shout out, because it is going to take my YouTube channel to that next level as well. So look, thank you very much to everybody who's subscribed so far. Again, this is Studio One, and this is where I'll be doing most of my content. So if you haven't done so already, like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff, because I've got some amazing content coming up. I hope that you like it. Again, I'm trying to fuck me. Spin my head right round, right round. Yeah. Let me know what you think. Let me know that this is the stupidest edit. This is where, oh Jesus. This is where, oh my God. Going down, something, go. Oh man, I'm getting dizzy.